This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your payment method was declined PayPal. First, immediately verify the exact error message provided by PayPal. This message often contains crucial clues about the specific issue. Next, check your email associated with your PayPal account for any notifications from PayPal or your bank. These messages frequently explain why the payment did not go through, guiding your next steps effectively. Often, the issue stems from simple data entry mistakes. Carefully review the debit or credit card number you entered, along with the expiration date and the 3- or 4-digit security code. Even a single-digit error can cause a decline. Make sure your card has not expired. Update the details in your PayPal wallet if necessary. Confirm the billing address stored on PayPal perfectly matches what your bank has for that card. A common cause for a declined payment is insufficient funds in your linked bank account or on your credit card. Before attempting the transaction again, quickly check your current balance. Furthermore, be aware that banks and even PayPal itself impose daily or per-transaction spending limits. If your purchase exceeds these preset limits, your payment will be declined, so consider contacting your bank to inquire about increasing your temporary limit if needed. Sometimes, your bank or card issuer might decline a transaction due to their own security protocols, even if funds are available. This often happens with larger purchases or international payments, which banks can flag as potential fraud. Your bank may have sent a text message or email alert about the suspicious activity. Calling your bank's customer service number, typically found on the back of your card, can quickly resolve these temporary holds and authorize the payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.